On this property, the homeowner gets a lot of standing water in this kind of swell, and it just ends up sitting here and puddling here. There's also quite a bit of, it gets a little soggy there during heavy rain events in between the houses. There's 2 downspouts, one right there and one right there on the neighbors. Those are both coming down. That's helping to saturate that area. Of course, she also has 2 downspouts here. And we'll be addressing this rear one. Our solution is going to be to place 2 catch basins, one right there for the neighbor's downspout on both sides. We want to tie in this rear downspout into this system. We have another catch basin we want to put right here at this low area. Again, we're going to shape the ground around these basins to make sure water can come in. And from that front corner over there, we have about 1.5 feet of fall to a storm drain. So this storm drain is on her property. It actually marks her property line right here. There's some upper properties back here, and there's a bit of a riverbed that goes from the top down here. There's actually a storm drain inlet past this berm that you can't see very well, but it's right here, and it's creating kind of a bowl. And I didn't see the inlet back there. It actually needs to be cleaned. I think it's covered by a bunch of debris. But there's an inlet back there to address all of this water that's coming in off the top of the property. And we're going to put in those few catch basins. I'm going to tie in 1, 2, 3 downspouts as well, and get that water away from the home, and especially away from the swell area where that water wants to accumulate during a rainfall event. 2 final things on this property. She does intend to put in a fence at some point, and I don't think that that's going to interfere with our drainage system at all. Shouldn't. There's going to be the tracer wire installed with this drainage, so the contractor should be able to easily find it. And the other thing is that this area right here, right in front of that, where that storm drain inlet is, there's a possibility we might put another catch basin right there, just in case there's some sort of an overflow event, to make sure that water can continue to come through.